Today's video is showing you how you want to, or how you can, add a practitioner to your account. So let's just say your practice is growing and growing really fast and you've had to put on a brand new practitioner. So the way to do that is simply go to configuration and find your practitioner and click plus. This will load up a new form and we're going to add Jane Smith, and we get to choose what services she offers. So if your practice potentially has different specialties, so you might not just be a dietitian, but you might also have massage therapists, you might have physios, you might have different services here. So you're able to name your services however you'd like. So I'm just going to add in these two services, and then we're going to add in the availability. So let's just say that Jane Smith is working out of the Melbourne clinic on Monday, Tuesdays and Wednesdays 9 to 5. That's fine. And then let's also say that she's working from the Sydney clinic 9 to 5, but on Thursday and Friday. We can add that in as her availability, and that will then show up on the calendar so that she can't be double booked in two places at once. The other really cool thing that I want to show you is that we're able to add in 2 shifts on a Wednesday, for instance. So let's say this first half of the day you're working out of one clinic, but the next day you're working, so the next half of the day you're working out of the other clinic. So we're just going to choose Wednesday 9 a.m. to 12. And then we're also going to add in 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. And we're going to choose Sydney, and we'll make that on Wednesday, and we'll click add. And there you can see is that we're working out of 2 clinics, but half the day is available there and the other half is in a different location. So we add that flexibility to allow you to do that. We also able to add your provider number in there. That has implications with a few other things later, which we source through automatically. And that's pretty much it. Thank you very much.